Alright guys, quick pocket dump. This is my stuff I'm carrying while I'm riding today. We got a little open L here. Nice little open L. Don't know which model this one is. If you know, drop it in the comments. But, we got a little bit of engraving on this one. This one was given to me by the granddaughter. Right, so we got that. And we've got a Mercato Black Cat K55. These have an awesome history. Made in Germany, Soligen. Yeah, awesome history on these. If you don't know about them, look them up. Cool knife. Very slim. And also we got a Rough Rider, and this is the Minuteman version. Nice little Rough Rider trapper, smooth white bone engraving on it. Got the spare blade as well. And the main knife is the Cold Steel Voyager XL. Awesome knife. Always carry this when I'm riding. Or another Voyager XL. Great knife. Big blade, big reach on it. Nice big tanto. So that's what I'm carrying, guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys are carrying. Alright, let's have a quick look, quick overhead look. There you go. Catch you later, guys.